Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am unboxing a wine box. So I released recently a wine subscription that I just absolutely loved. And several of you kicked back and said, what if we want to order wine online, but we don't want to be part of a subscription? I've got the answer for you. I am super picky when it comes to my wines. I drink a lot of wine. So much wine, in fact, that this original box came with 6 bottles, and I only have 2 left to show you because I drank them all already. That's okay though. So, I got 2 of each of these. Those little puppies are already empty. I drank both of these already. Drink one of these and one of these. At least I saved bottles to show you guys. This is Vivino. Vivino is the app you see on your phone, and Vivino's app is amazing. Well before I ever ordered wine, I was using their app to research wine, price wine, rate wine, read about wine. And so when I started getting people saying, hey, subscription boxes are great, but what do I do if I just want to order wine online? I tested Vivino. This is the first thing I learned. Their website, like on a computer website, is hard to use. I could not find good pairings. I couldn't find good recommendations. I kept clicking around and it ultimately X'd out and walked away. That night I hopped in bed and threw open their app and filled my cart up that fast. It had so many great things on it. So on the app, you can easily pull today's picks. They show right there, it's in quotes, and it's today's wine picks, what they have based on what you've already rated, what you've already told them. When you order online from them and put it in your cart and check out, it automatically adds it to your online wine cellar. So you don't have to go scan all the bottles when they come in because they're already in there, which is great. They are the world's largest wine marketplace. So there are hundreds of wines I dug through, literally hundreds, and I was only looking at reds. It's truly crazy. They have great customer service. Obviously, if you've used the app, you already know they have a great reviewing system. They highly encourage you to review your wines. But I think the thing I love the most is you can literally go in and shop by price or type. And I keep looking down because I have some notes here. You can go and shop by the less than $10 category, $10 to $20 category, $20 to $50 category, so on and so forth. So if you're like, I don't really know what I want, but I try a variety, I just don't want to spend more than 20 bucks. They have an answer to that. Or maybe you're like, oh, I know what I want. I only drink dry reds. They have an answer for that. The app on the phone is amazing. You can even do a best wines below $10. It's really, really great. So you go on, I did a today's pick. It came with 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. Threw it in my cart, checked out, done. This bottle I paid $18.98 for. This bottle I paid $14.95 for. And this bottle I paid $19.99 for. All of them were great. Since this guy is already empty, I figured we'd pour a glass of this while we chat. Y'all can comment below, but who else is guilty of not trimming the top? I literally just take my wine cork opener and just shove it in there. When I pull up like this, it naturally breaks. And so, but I get made fun of all the time for not like trimming that first or peeling it first. And I don't know, maybe I'm lazy. All right, this is the Ghost Pine. Look at that cork. Then I do have to do this. They do not distribute individual cellars. Vivino isn't owned by like one group. You're not stuck from choosing just from certain. They literally source wine from around the world for you to choose from. Go download the app right now. It's super easy. Even if you're not ordering from Vivino, let's just say you're at your local grocery store, you see a bottle of wine and you're like, I have no idea if it's worth 20 bucks. If I'm gonna spend 20 bucks on it, I wanna know it's worth it. You throw the phone open, Scan, as you see here, the bottle of wine you're interested in, and it will pop up that bottle of wine along with user inputted ratings and reviews, as well as the average price paid. You can also see where to buy it. If you keep scrolling down, you can read in detail each of the reviews. I have been using the Vivino app for a very long time, and I highly recommend it. Oddly enough, even though I've been using the app for years, this is my very first order with them. And so obviously I'm getting ready to place a second order. I'm gonna do more of a mix of some whites and reds to kind of see what we get there. But with this particular order, I could not be more pleased. I had to reach out to customer service with a question. Amazing, fast customer service, which is a thing for me. When I'm ordering online, I don't have a salesperson. I want it to be good. All right, I already know this is delicious. Oh, it's so, so good. Now this one is a red blend, and it's Zinfandel, Cab Sav, Syrah, and Petite Syrah. There it is, blackberries, blueberries, and brown spice. I don't drink sweet wines, I don't like them, so for me, this is my sweet wine. My berries make it sweet, and it is so, so good. I am going to throw up some information below. I honestly don't know if they've given me a coupon code, but I will check and see. So if you're looking for a wine non-reoccurring club subscription, I highly recommend you go check out Vivino. I've been super impressed, and I will be looping back with a second review for you guys, so watch for that to show up soon. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.